Hi everyone, in today's video I just want to show you a very easy way to make money using YouTube Shorts without having to create your own videos. It's super simple, everybody can do it. Follow me.
So in today's video, as you know, we're gonna create YouTube Shorts videos and make a profit with those videos, but we'll use videos that we did not create ourselves. So what you want to do first, you want to go to YouTube, and for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna search for funny cats videos. So let's go. Now what you want to do, you want to be able to use videos that you are allowed to use. So you'll go to filters and you want to use the videos under Creative Commons. Those are the videos where you won't have any copyright issues, and you can use them, reuse them. So I'm gonna download this one. So what you want to do, you want to go to the video. The sound is off, perfect. You'll take the link here. You'll go to this website, y2mate.com. You're going to paste the link, and here you have it. You can download this video. So you just download the video here. So once it's been downloaded, you just go to Canva, and I'll show you quickly. I already created the video here in Canva, but I'll show you how you can do it. You go to the templates and you'll choose Instagram stories. And you'll go to the blank templates. So from there, what you want to do, you want to upload the video, your YouTube video that you chose. So you're going to go to upload. The video is already there. It should be under videos right here. And here it is. So what you'll do, we'll just drag it and post it over here. Let's pause it. Perfect. And you just want to fit it in the template. So you just extend it fully like that. That looks good to me. From there, you will add an element. So you want to add some text at the top or at the bottom. So you can use a shape, put it at the bottom here. Over here. Doesn't want to go there now. Okay. Now you're going to use the shape. All right. Here we have it. So you're just going to fit the text right here. You can change the color. You can put it whatever color you want. And you're going to add a text. We're going to add a subheading right here. And here you want to write whatever you want. You can write, go check the link in the description for great merchandising, or you can promote an affiliate link if you have one, whatever you want to promote. So check the link in the description for amazing cat merch. So here you can do that. If you want, just make it bold. So now it looks better. So now we have our video, and you're going to download the video. So if you want, you can go to ClickBank and you can type cats, and you'll have some cat products. So if you wanted to promote any product of ClickBank, you would just go to keyword relevance. If you want, you just promote. They're going to give you an affiliate link, and you can just put that link in your description, and you'll make a commission every time somebody buys off your link. So that's one possibility. And the second one is to create merch for whatever product you want to promote related to the video you have on YouTube. So then what you want to do, you can go to a website like redbubble.com and you can create a store with your product. So once you've opened an account with them or with some other merch websites, such as maybe Etsy, you can do stuff on there. Once you have done that, just go to pexels.com and you can just download free photos. So I already downloaded this photo and we're going to use it for our example. Here I've already created my store with my small traumatized cat. And here you have it. So you have multiple products. You have hats, you have t-shirts, you have hoodies, you have iPhone cases, you have a lot of different products that are in my store here. So you just need to share the link of your store. So here's my store with all my cat products. So once you have your store fully made, you just share the link here. So you'll have a link to your store, and that's what you can put in the description of your video. So once that's done, you just go to YouTube, you create a video here. The video is going to be uploaded. You put your link in the description, and there you have a YouTube video that can literally go viral. I mean, you can use whatever other video you want and use some viral videos, and you can advertise for any product you want, and know that YouTube Shorts is very, very popular. You can make quite a lot of money promoting products with YouTube, such as you can with other social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels. So just take advantage, use them to your advantage. So that's it for today's video.
Well, if this video was useful to some of you guys, please give me some thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video.